Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma hagas balang Jogatayo ulapan bena baka jingiakren iasuk hapdeng ke sorkar jela bat ka kunhun king atiar ka Trap National Liberation Council HNLC kan sdang no Shen. Habai kren bagi nong patai kubor Menteri Rangba Kejala ulong babun teli jingiakren kelihat cakmat bagi dangle agi babun kikam kijam bat habban sengutho baka jingiakren iasuk kamlong kubo penlong ya kanu ke program ne kanu ke jingalang. Nraidon kam ban penkreap ha bat bandon ru ke jingiakren lupa bat bandon ke jingisania amar keliang. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ula penpawe ke jingkermen ba ke jingiakren iasuk kan sedang no Shen bat kindon ru buon teli ke jingiakren haki por ke bandang wan bat nakaliang ke tenat Home Affairs bat Menteri Korbari kila kemi benya bat petngor bhaya ke kamat bat kidon ni ke jing angngot ban yo ban penya cakmat ke jingiakren iasuk bat bagan poino syakabakut.
Well, discussions are on, and we are doing the groundworks in many ways. It's very difficult for me to really talk about all of it because it would not be correct. But let me just say this, that number of meetings at an unofficial level have taken place. Then, some time has been sought to get some things in place and certain procedures to be followed and so on and so forth. So the process is on, but as I said, it's not like a government program or government meeting or normal discussions that take place where we just say that let's meet tomorrow and we can meet tomorrow. It's a lot of preparation that goes into all of this, a lot of background work that needs to be done, and a lot of discussions, pre-discussions. So therefore, and it has to be done in a way that we are able to take everybody into confidence. And hence it is important to ensure that that aspect also is looked into. So one needs to be firm and keep pushing, but one needs to also give the space to ensure that the confidence and the overall trust and that comfort level is built up. So process is on. We are, as I mentioned, committed. There are talks happening. We expect more talks to happen in the future at an unofficial level, and I hope that the official talks also will be starting very soon. In fact, MHA and the Honorable Home Minister himself has been continuously monitoring on this issue, and they are also very keen that we're able to take the peace talks to the logical conclusion.